Welcome to RANsquawk's morning briefing for Monday the 1st of March 2010. Just taking a bit of a recap of what we've seen so far here in London. We have got a case of higher equities and lower fixed income. Predominantly the main story yet again is that of Greece. Much of the weekend's press has been speculating the EU are coming ever closer in regards to finalising a package for Greece. Some of the size in terms of a potential bailout have been to the tune of 25, or the Wall Street Journal reported 30 billion euros. In terms of German lawmakers in Bloomberg story, they've also indicated that in terms of using Germany's KfWs as a way of purchasing some of the Greek debt, that is under consideration but would be used as a last resort, according to those lawmakers. Consequently, though, having seen a deal getting ever closer at the moment, the EU Commissioner Rehn is in Athens speaking with the central bank head as well as the Greek PM and Finance Minister. The spreads in terms of the 10-year Greek bond yield spread has continued to tighten this morning, and that is also reflected in terms of the peripherals. We've also seen the 5-year credit default swaps in Greece continue to tick lower. So again, bonds are trading down on the back of that, and equities are up over 1% across the major indices, the FTSE, CAC and DAX. Taking a look in terms of other notable movers, that one has been sterling across the board in the currencies. Cable is down under 200 pips on a session move. It's trading around 150.40 at the moment. Some of the focus there has been not only technically driven in terms of stops getting triggered on various moves on the way lower. In terms of hung parliament scenario, that has grown some further speculation as we head into the election months. The latest weekend press and Sunday Times suggested that the latest Tories poll puts them at only 2 points above Labour, the narrowest lead in 2 years. In terms of other things as well, in M&A news flow, we've seen Prudential. They finally come out and confirm some of the speculation over the weekend and said they're to make the combination with AIG's Asian asset, the AIA, for a total consideration of $35.5 billion US. Prudential shares, they have been closed for most of the morning. They've just opened up down 12% or so. And in terms of some of those M&A flows, with the $35.5 billion worth into dollars out of sterling, that has also weighed on cable in the currency pairs. In terms of some of the other things in which we have seen, or which we're going to be looking out for, comments from Greece are going to be of the utmost importance. As mentioned, they are all in terms of central bank member ECB Stark, as well as the EU Commissioner in Athens at the moment. In terms of data to come, we'll have the US personal income and PCE numbers from the US alongside Canadian GDP. We'll also be looking out for the latest US ISM manufacturing number, which is expected at 58 from a previous 58.4. And that's to go with already what we've seen out of the Eurozone in terms of the Eurozone PMI manufacturing number, which has come out at a 30-month high, which has also helped underpin some of the rise in equities this morning.